Hey guys, this is one of my Dirtbike wrecks. I was out jumping in the woods and the ramp started getting kind of like dull and beat down, so I decided to make a new spot in the same ramp that I thought was gonna work, but it ended up being too steep. So it kind of just the bike just kind of flipped out from underneath me, and I was really not expecting it because I was just kind of like going up nice and slow, and this happens.
Oh, shit. Well, that didn't work. It's on camera. That did not work. Oh, fuck. Whoa. Damn it.